Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This fully furnished rest house for sale is located in Pundakit, San Antonio, Zambales. It has a lot area of 912 square meters, floor area of 605 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, up to 6 car park, living, dining, and main kitchen, secondary kitchen, lanai with bar area, pool, billiard room, gym room, and a spacious balcony. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. We have something very special for you today because today we are showing you this beautiful rest house located here in Pundakit, San Antonio, Zambales. So let's check it out. It is situated on a corner lot. Makikita natin. This is the way to the beach, only 5 minutes away by foot. And right in front of us is the Zambales mountain ranges. So very beautiful. So dito sa front ng house, we have the pedestrian gate. We have this large sliding gate and greenery on the side. So let's check it out. So upon entry, first thing na makikita natin are these beautifully placed cobblestones dito sa ating steps at sa ating driveway, leading to the 2 carport na covered. Pwede pa ditong 2 cars, pwede pa rin sa side. And of course, we have this half court na basketball court with tempered na ring, plus this interlocking na rubber dito sa ating sahig. Okay? Continuous ang ating cobblestones na walkway with lush greenery on the side, very well maintained. And of course, the house. Let's talk about the house. The house is industrial ang design niya with the mixture of black, wood, and really nice selection of plants, especially those yucca plants na makikita natin. Right? Fluted panels all throughout. This decking na napakaganda, which is, of course, weather resistant yan. Diba? Rain or shine. Actually, this is not the front of the house. The front of the house is here. So, lakad tayo dito. Let's admire the beautiful architecture na ginawa nila sa house na to. Very beautiful. We have this breeze blocks para talagang preskong-presko. Pumapasok yung hangin. This gate is your access to the beach. And we have also another gate right there. So, later punta tayo doon. Now, unahin na natin yung isa sa pinakamagandang feature ng house na to, which is the swimming pool. 'Di ba? What's a vacation house without a pool, 'di ba? Very relaxing ang choice of color. Para siyang bluish turquoise na tiles combined with the wood decking all around. Very nice. And behind the camera, ito we have this. This is my favorite. We have this beautiful African talisay. Then from here, makikita rin natin, we have a nice angle of this house right there. Okay? Dito sa pool area, we have, of course, space for you to lounge around. We have this bar right here. Shelvings, of course. And we have this shower for the pool area. We have sink, toilet, and rainfall shower head. Very nice. Ayan. Okay? Ang ganda rin ng bar na to kasi imagine, no, dito ka mag-serve ng food and drinks for your guest or your family while relaxing and enjoying the view of the mountains right there. Pwede ba tayong ma-zoom yan? Zoom nga natin para makita natin. Okay, let's try to zoom it. Imagine that view. Very beautiful. Now let's go inside the house. Remove natin yung sapatos natin. Okay. Now, ang ganda rin itong treatment dito sa wall natin, no? Para siyang stone design with, of course, lights, conces dyan. Big wooden door with electronic lock.
Please verify your face.
Please verify your face. Upon entry, of course, bubungad agad sa atin are these leather sofa dito sa ating living room. Okay? We have a large television right there, well-lighted ceiling, of course. And ang ganda rin ng flooring natin. Gray tiles ang ginamit natin dito. Okay? Air conditionings are included, of course. We have a powder room right here for your guest. So, sink and toilet. Very nice. Your breakers are well hidden here sa wall natin. Then, we have this nice show kitchen. Okay? You have this bar right here na meron tayong mga bar stools dyan. So, you can serve your meals dito, breakfast, or drinks. Very nice quartz countertop. We have storage underneath. And may mga drawers din tayo for your utensils. Behind me is a beautifully set up na mga appliances natin. We have this microwave, we have the oven, we have this range hood, and your two-door refrigerator. Plus your sink in the middle. More storage. Oh, diba? Drinks. And dito, ano kaya? Oh, mga party needs like plates and others. Okay. On this side, you have this solid wood acacia dining table that seats 10 people. Imagine guys having your meals here, oh. Tapos ang view ng mountains, you have your pool, very relaxing. And mind you, all these doors can be opened completely to let the indoor and outdoor mix together. Okay? Amazing din itong industrial na ating pendant lighting right here. Of course, air conditioning. Very beautiful. Do you agree, guys? Okay. Ceiling. Sobrang nawawawa ko. Di ba? Imagine sa dami naming nakitang magandang bahay. Nawawawa ko dito sa house na to. Ang ganda rin itong light fixture na to. Now, let's go to the service area. Okay? Kasi meron kang main kitchen dyan. It's a show kitchen. Then you have your daily kitchen right here. Upon entry, you have a two-door refrigerator right here. You have your sink. You have a range and range hood. Of course, storage. This door is your access going to the basketball court and the garage. And guys, we have a skylight right here. Ang ganda with ceiling fan. Tapos behind the camera, this door right here is your staff room. Okay? Hindi natin i-open kasi may mga tao. Okay? Now, napansin ko rin guys, of course, aside from the beautiful fluted panels we have, the walls are stucco finish. So it looks undone, pero sobrang ganda niya. Okay? Smooth na din ang texture natin. So this is the stairs going to the second floor, but we are going to check out this bedroom number 1 right here sa ground floor. So we have this bedroom, very beautiful, very good size ng space natin. You have your bed, and of course, more space to move around. You have a leather-lined headboard right there. Cabinets are included. Ang ganda rin ng cabinet to kasi naka-flush ang kanyang ang kanyang handles. Tapos, ayan o, para siyang hanggang taas. Flat lang siya. Very nice. Air conditioning are included also. Then you have this toilet and bath for the ground floor. You have a shower, toilet, and sink. Okay. Now, the next room is very exciting because we have a billiard room. So this room is dedicated for your hobbies. Of course, you have this billiard table right here. Very nice lighting on the ceiling. We have the television. And yung door na to, access then going out of the house. So, ang daming access papunta at papasok at palabas ng bahay. Ganda. You have a storage right here for your hobbies, your board games, and so on. Nice. If this room was exciting, the next room is even more because I think this is my favorite part, the gym. Okay? You have a home gym right here. Rubber line ng ating floors. Of course, I am not sure kung included ang ating mga surfboards because may surfing spot nga dito. We have this gym setup, very nice. Curved treadmill right here. Nice, no? Imagine working out here sa bahay mo. Very convenient. Okay? So, let's go to the second floor. Like for part 2.
This fully furnished rest house for sale is located in Pundakit, San Antonio, Zambales. It has a lot area of 912 square meters, floor area of 605 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, up to 6 car park, living, dining, and main kitchen, secondary kitchen, lanai with bar area, pool, billiard room, gym room, and a spacious balcony. If you're interested, contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.